Just here for my dishes. Put them in earlier, so they should be done by now. And don't worry, put yours in the sink.
Axel, I am trying to study here.
For what? Obedience school? You know, you don't get a treat if you roll over when you're supposed to sit.
Oh, ha, 'cause I'm a dog.
Hey, you're never gonna get a treat with that attitude. So, where's your owner?
Ooh, Lexi? She's at that big St. Patrick's Day party. Surprised you're not there.
Nah, that party's lame. For freshman and sophomore, you think it's fun. As a junior, you only go there ironically, and you would never be caught dead there as a senior. Hey, look at that. Now, this guy is clean. You want to put him to work? Huh? What you got to eat around here? Come on, make me something.
I'm sorry to inform you, Axel, but I'm not your maid.
Oh, come on, girl. You can do it. Maybe some din-din.
Oh, my God, Axel, you are such a jerk. I don't understand why Lexi likes you so much.
What? Whoa, wait. Hold on. Are you serious?
No. I was not supposed to tell you that.
Huh. Well, I know I was joked around about her liking me, but I never thought she really...
Why do you think she came to our house for spring break instead of the Bahamas? Who in their right mind would do that? She didn't even spend time with me. She just laughed at all your stupid jokes and followed you around with her eyes. Well, her non-pussy eye, at least.
She doesn't date in April, right?
Yeah, I told her everything. I told her about how you clip your toenails. I told her about your booger wall. I told her about Dr. Axel and his fartisthesia, and somehow she still likes you.
Well, good. I'm glad you told her those things, because, it's not gonna happen. Hey, look at that! Flip-flops came out great.
Oh.
Axel! Yo, what's up, Moles? What's up, man? I thought you said you'd have to be dead to be seen at this party.
Yeah. Well, can I catch up with you guys later? I'm kind of looking for someone.
Axel!
Devin?